Hello guys, and welcome to a new video from us Westphalia Digital Nomads. In this video I want to share the only routine that we have, and not every day, and I want to call it the parking routine. So let's check it out. And here we are, Albania, country number 27, maybe 26, 28, I don't remember. Yeah, we just arrived and we found this parking just near the lake. So the routine, the first part is to find a nice place where to park. I think I kind of have the experience by all these years, and it's funny because I saw so many videos about the morning routine, the afternoon routine, the evening routine. If you really live the van life, there's no routine because every day it's different. It depends on the weather, on the place where you park, on the job, and but for example, we finished the gas, there's no routine. If for you routine it's waking up and drinking coffee, well, that's for pretty much 99% of the people on the planet. It is not flat, by the way. So the only routine that I found, and it's not every day, depends on where we're gonna park, it's the parking routine. So find a nice spot, find a flat surface where we can park. Checking with the sun, I have to speak with the sun, so I will put the van in a way that will be good for the solar panel, so we're going to be able to work from inside the van. And let's see what I do next. We got a box on top of Mork. We have our winter insulation for the pop-up roof. We got the windshield insulation, that's what I want to take out. We got chairs, we got the awning, we got a table, we got a tent, we got some useful stuff. So I want to take the windshield insulation because with this kind of sun will be nice to be repaired, so not too hot inside, perfect temperature as well. We can easily work on the computer without the reflection. So this is the insulation, and as well I will take a chair out because I know that with a sunny day Mel like to sit outside. So the chair's out. Of course, the second part is to put the insulation. I'm gonna put the link in the description if you're interested to buy. I found this insulation really helpful. No cleaning in the morning. The windshield, it's dry and clean, and it really insulates from lower temperature. And it's really easy to put it. So that's it. What to do next? With this kind of sun, we're gonna take out the solar panel, the additional one. So we have one on the top, 100 watts, and another one, it's a super flex solar panel that I can put right on the windshield, and we're gonna get a lot of nice voltage down there. Pretty easy. I got the two cable. And that's it. So with this nice sunny day, I'm thinking inside on the controller we probably are around 13.5 14 volts, so it's pretty good. What I do next, I will pop up so we have a little bit more space and we will not have to move a lot of things. So popping up, it's really easy, especially from the day I put the two gas struts, and depends always on the parking, so we don't want to be too visible sometimes, but here it's in the middle of nowhere pretty much, so we'll be okay to pop up. And the good thing is that we can put all the stuff that usually is on the seats, we can just put it on top and open the window so more air will come through. So let's pop up. That's it. So these things can just go on top, and also these other backpack. That's it. So more space we can open, and it's good because we don't have the direct lights, so we can work on the computer and we got fresh air inside. So that's why we actually lately we pop up pretty much every day, even because it becomes more easy to pop up. Is not that hard. What we're gonna do next? So our last step of this kind of parking routine is to give water to Ziggy. Yeah, especially in these hot days. Here we go. We already had breakfast, so we're kind of done with that. Yeah, so this is pretty much the only routine we have, and it's not every day. Again, depends on where we decide to park, if it's good enough to pop up, depends on the weather, because if it starts to rain I don't think I will take out the second solar panels. Depends on the work that we have to do every day, because we're not working every day. So yeah, this is our kind of routine. I really hope this video was helpful. Let us know what's your routine if you have one. Don't tell me about waking up and coffee. We do that every day until the day we die. So thanks for watching, guys, and as well as we're just entering Albania, if you have any tips about this country, of place to visit and where to go, just write something in the comments. Bye bye.